tourism and hospitality students took center stage today as they showcased their talents through vibrant performances of traditional festival dances and demonstrated their culinary skills, focusing on the rich Kapampangan cuisine. In addition to the students' performances, the event paid tribute to the legacy of Kapampangan culinary icon Aching Lilian Mercado Lizing Borromeo and Mr. Mike Hyson David, a renowned expert in local Kapampangan cuisine.
Ito si Brenda, uling itang palamanan ng opiang kundol. Yan itang sanikula sa buhay opiang kundol, itang palaman, piyabede. Yapin yung first fusion na ng Kapampangan. At itang design na nitang Dulce Prenda na mo, yapin itang Buddha na ng Blessed Virgin Mary. Every Christmas lang ginagawa. At saka kapag labas mo sa simbang gabi, hindi ba 9 days yun? Tapos nalabas ka, may panara. Ngayon, wala. Yun ang sama ng loob ko. Dapat meron. Kaya every town ngayon pinupunta ko. Lahat ng tingnan mo yung aking cookbook, puro yung forgotten recipes ng Kapampangan, nandun dyan lahat, kinukuha ko. Kaya sabi nila, para daw tutuloy din na ako, bakit hindi na uso? Bakit nandyan pa? Kasi gusto ko mabalik yung kultura ng Kapampangan, yung tunay na kultura. Where we, saan tayo nag-start, saan tayo ngayon. Kasi kung ngayon na lang ang sasabihin mo, puro ngayon, ano yung pinanggalingan mo? Kasi kailangan sa tao, alam niya kung saan siya nanggaling.
Luminaries presented timeless dishes such as patku, tamales, binuno, and panera, which delighted attendees with their authenticity and rich flavors. And according to Mr. David in an interview,
to showcase the Kapampangan heirloom recipe, in which today po we'll be having our traditions in Kapampangan, in which we want to showcase first si Aching Lilian Borromeo, na gagawa siya ng panara, and some of our tradition also coming from Aching Lilian, yung Dulce Prenda, na-introduce namin siya ngayon sa Bacolod, at kapangalan namin ng Dulce Prenda de Don Honorio. And also today, October is the month of Indigenous Month. We also invited some of our indigenous people coming from Camias, Porac, Pampanga, in which they will be showcasing binulo cooking. Ang gagawin po nila also together with our students, Mr. Joshua, the winner for the ASEAN online demo cooking. The importance of this is showcasing yung Kapampangan cuisine, because we want to give to our students yung mga heirloom recipe na ngayon hindi nila alam. It's just like also we showcase patku. Maraming mga estudyante sa Dabsu na hindi nila alam kung ano yung lasa ng patku, anong itsura niya. And then also, of course, yung panara. Although, nung bata ako, kinakain namin yung mga panara, ngayon wala na sila. Kaya, this event is really special because we want to showcase Kapampangan cuisine and also the legend of the Kapampangan cuisine po.
from Public Relations and Industrial Linkages Office and Media Affairs of Davsu, I am Veo Irish Lulu of Radio Escolar reporting.